Do you have old fabric furniture that you're thinking about throwing out or donating? Just wait! You can give it new life by painting over the fabric with Country Chic paint. Just dilute the paint with a little bit of water, 3 parts water to 1 part paint. This helps the paint penetrate the fabric and also keeps it from getting too stiff. This chair's accents were made of wood, so I could paint right over them. If your furniture has metal accents, make sure you prime first. What better way to bring life back to old furniture than a bright pattern? I started by sketching the outline with a pencil, then picked colors that match the base and accents. For the flowers, I used raspberry sorbet. My secondary accent color is jitterbug, which I used on both the leg and arm accents as well. And for the flower centers, I used our bright blue bling bling. These 4 colors, in my opinion, work beautifully together, transforming this classic chair into, well, a maximalist's dream.